Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. Was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked your rain and went to tell my bros.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm about to get right into it today. We have a shoot and I gotta get ready. I'm also about to film my makeup too. My room is kind of a mess right now. I didn't make my bed, but that's neither here nor there. Yeah, my last shoot vlog didn't go the way I planned because I ran out of storage and my camera died at the same time. So we're gonna actually vlog today. I already packed my bag and I really just need to do my hair and my makeup. Okay. Oh shit, okay. Ponytail done. I don't know how I feel about it, but like, whatever. I told y'all my bed not made. Ignore that. You don't see that.
Canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fuck your main bitch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck the niggas that you came with, that's just how I feel.
What y'all got going on over there?
Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all that's just how I feel. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Bump that new E40 after school.
I'm really trying to make myself like this. I'm just not used to seeing my hair out. I mean, I wear my hair out all the time. And then once the pandemic hit and I started getting into wigs, I was like, this is what I wanted anyway. I wanted to be able to switch my hair up all the time.
That Louis burgers never be the same. Won't be the same. A Louis Belder never eats that pain. Won't eat that pain. But I will purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold. And we go crash it when nobody's home. Holly Berry. Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go to spin the shoes, but the one in front of the gun lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, this away.
I forgot about y'all, sorry.
Just to stay, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fuck your main bitch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck the niggas that you came with, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all rich, that's just how I feel.
Be the last one not to get the stove. No way, I run out the bucket head hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one not to get the stove. No way, I run out the bucket head hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Bria doesn't want to say hi to y'all. No. Oh. I was scared about that show, honestly. Dang. I was nervous. I was about to cry doing this.
I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with cocaine residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta put five for my daughter and them. Get the fuck up on my way.
Okay. I'm changing my second look. And we didn't have everything for it, so we're gonna see what we can do with this.
This the last time you might see my ass from the gardens where the grass ain't cut. Them serpents lurking blood. Bitches selling pussy, niggas selling drugs, but it's all good. Broken promises, still your watch and tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where a falaka is.
Yeah. Pre-write your verse. We gonna decide on the beat before we get there.
The money trip.
Hollyberry or hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go to and I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel.
Let's bring my car back, man. I called in for another appointment. I think you want me to be back here on time anyway. Look, shit, I just want to get out the house, man. This man on one, feeling good. Shit, I'm trying to get my thing. One on the house. Just bring my car back. Yeah, he made it. He's feeling good. Look, listen to him.
Got a big old fat ass. I want your body. Look at that big old fat ass.
See, he as hell. Yeah, he ain't even tripping off them dominoes no more. Just bring the car back.
Somebody say domino.
Okay, y'all, I didn't really get to close out at the studio, but I wanted to come back to say thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like this. I like vlogging for y'all when I have shoots, so I am gonna start doing that more. But we're back. Until next time, bye.
And that's a lifestyle that we never knew.